Will help you access the mechanical sound effects in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
One, assuming you want to add the mechanical sound effects to your video clip is deselected. Step is to go to the bottom left hand screen and click audio to the right until you see sound effects. Here you want to scroll to the right. You see the option mechanical. Click a sound effect. Cap Mobile will preview the sound effect. And to add the mechanical sound effect, click plus icon on the right hand screen. You can do the same by adding multiple sound effects. Go to sound effect, make sure you are in mechanical, and click the plus icon. This is the before. This is the after. Completely for free.